Hey, what's up, guys? So I've been traveling a bit and I'm not in my usual place, but I wanted to tell you this drop that we just had was the second largest drop or second largest liquidation we've had since November of 2022 when FTX collapsed. So that is really bullish. And what happened after that? We bottomed, guys. That's when we bottomed. It brought us from like around $19,000 to $15,500. So don't forget that. So what's the point of all this? It's to let people get rid of their coins right now. A lot of people are freaking out. Tons and tons of people are freaking out. I've been nonstop on Twitter. If you want to see me on Twitter, it's Sir Crypto Tips. I just been like, guys, this is nothing. And I've showed you this chart before a long time ago, but we have seen, I think it was 30+% drops back in 2016 through 18 bull market. And then right before we went off a blow off top around $20,000, we had a drop of 29%. We were about 26%, 25, 26%. We aren't even at the lowest drop of the 2016 through 18 bull market. And people are already freaking out. Like I have not seen sentiment this low since FTX collapse, which is kind of ridiculous considering like that was a big deal. This isn't a big deal. There's nothing bearish about what's going on right now. And I'm going to also cover the amount of liquidations that could happen in the future. And I have proof of this. We have dropped the prices not seen since February. So what makes me bullish about today? Well, we had $110 million in liquidations within 60 minutes of the first big smash when I woke up. That was about $110 million of liquidations, and there were further massive liquidations after that, bringing us down to $53,000 or around $53,000. And it's just people that have been gambling on leverage. These are leverage longs that are gamblers, and they try to time the market and they, get liquidated. They're borrowing money to buy Bitcoin, which is kind of bad. I definitely do not recommend that. If you're a part of our learningcrypto.com member, you will know that I always tell you only buy spot, stay out of leverage. This is what happens. Probably some of the misery that you're seeing on Twitter right now and elsewhere, it's because people are leveraged, guys. People are losing their butts because they're gambling with money that they don't have. I never do that. I haven't done that in over a decade since I've been in this space. Some more funny news out there. You have Justin Sun saying that he will offer to buy all the Bitcoin held by the German government to minimize the impact of the market. Guys, as I've tweeted yesterday, this is not the German government. This is not, the Mt. Gox move today that we had. Mt. Gox moved 47,228 Bitcoin worth $2.71 billion from cold storage to a new wallet. This is not that. This is nothing about this. It is what I tweeted about open interest, which is leverage in the system. This is all it is. And I've tweeted many times that, guys, the open interest is still high, but today, good news is that a lot of longs have been absolutely obliterated on open interest. So a lot of longs have been liquidated, essentially. So I'm holding out my arm and dying here. But yeah, that's pretty much what it's all about, guys. This is all about leverage players getting liquidated. And the same thing is going to happen when we turn around, which we will. We are still in a bull market. This isn't the end of the world, guys, okay? I've been in this space for over a decade. This is not the end of the world. This is just a regular pullback, a normal pullback, actually. And yeah, we've been, sideways for range bound for about 4 months now. That's fine. We've been range bound for 160 days one time, and it was totally fine. And we went to all-time highs after that. So I wouldn't worry about that stuff, guys. It's just open interest is dropping now. So that is really good news. So the more it can drop, the better off we're going to be. Okay, to end this, this is a great tweet from Vivek on Twitter. He says $12 billion worth of Bitcoin shorts to be liquidated at $70,000. $12 billion, guys. That's a lot of shorts. And shorts are probably getting very aggressive now because they're like, they've been right for 4 months or whatever. They are going to get liquidated as well. And that's definitely $12 billion is going to send us way above all-time highs. So just chill out. Here's a chart showing just that. Okay. And so as you can see that there's a lot of shorts out there, guys, and they are betting that the price is probably going to go to $40,000, $30,000. Oof, I don't think it's going to go that low, guys. I really don't. I'm pretty excited. I just did a trade alert today, and I am adding to my bag. So if you want to check out our trade alerts, learningcrypto.com. Anyways, that's all I have. Let me know what your thoughts are if you think you're going to go to $30,000, because I definitely don't think we're going that low. $40,000. I don't even know if we're going to get that low. Maybe I have no idea, but I'm not worried about the short-term prices. I am more concerned about what's the price is going to look at the end of the year, which I think it's going to be much, 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 much higher. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.